guys, for now, ang gagawin natin is the snowman balloon right here. And here is my baby Savannah. We are the people behind Tasty Crafts, and thank you for watching.
We're not done.
No, we're not yet done. So, mag-i-start tayo sa paggagawa ng ating snowman by using two kinds of balloons. So, meron tayo ditong balloon, but nag-pump na dahil meron na tayong nagamit na balloon ni Savis, which is, you can see, madami na siyang sulat-sulat. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin natin. So, we need two pieces of balloon, magkaibang size. Yung isa malaki, para sa body part ni Snowman, ni Olaf. At yung isa naman is medyo maliit na shape para naman sa ulo ni Snowman. Like this. Okay, so gaganituhin natin siya. So, of course, kakailanganin nyo, kung wala pa kayong pump balloon, kakailangan nyo ng balloon and ng pump. I'm going to use smudge glue. Paano tayo nakakapagawa ng smudge glue? It is only glue and water. You mix them together para magkaroon tayo ng thin mixture ng glue para hindi naman siya masyadong malapot, no? I think the same amount ng glue at ng water. So, yung glue ko is until here na lang and nag-add ako ng konti lang na water. Then, Sabi, I need you to shake this glue for mommy, please. Mommy, sir. Here you go. And she asked, what is the tape for? The tape is for putting together the balloon later on. And syempre, gagamit tayo ng paintbrush para sa pag-glue ng ating paper. Magagamit tayo ng old newspaper. Iti-tear apart natin siya later on. Okay, so pagsasamahin na natin yung balloon natin. Isang malaki sa baba at isang maliit sa taas as a head. So, ganituhin lang natin siya. So, it's going to be like this. For this to stick together, gagamit tayo ng tape. Okay? So, Sab, can you hold this for mommy, please? Hold tight, and then mommy will go to tape it.
In excelsis Deo, angels we have heard of how swiftly singing of the plains, and the mountains in reply echo back their joyous strains.
So we're going to tear the papers to put in here.
Come on bended knee, Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
So this project is gonna be messy. So gagamit tayo ng paintbrush for the glue. Ready, sweetie? Okay, and then we're going to put this glue in here. See, it's really thin. It's a konting glue.
On a cold winter's night that was so deep. Nowhere.
Okay, good. So we'll just have to put enough for us to cover the whole to do this snowman. Alright, sweetie, I'm going to show you what to do, and then with the use of our paintbrushes, then you just cover these with the glue, and
I think I'll tell you what I would like for a Christmas, and I hope you won't forget. I only want a picture that I can have for night, to give my señorita something for Christmas time. On Christmas Eve I watch for you, and I don't slip away. If I got no little something, she'll feel sad, I think. Here is Senor Santa Claus, I'll tell you what I pick. I have got no stocking, I set up my big event. So please bring me picture that I can have for night, to give my señorita something for Christmas time. I don't know what I'd buy for her. I think I'd buy her a rose, so she can wear it in her hair most everywhere she goes. Oh my Lord, you send your Son to save us. Oh my Lord, you very sad to give us. Oh my Lord, then save me not enslave us, and love me reigns once more. Oh my Lord, and in the crowd they found him. Oh my Lord, a golden halo crowned him. Oh my Lord, they gathered all around him to see him and adore. Oh my Lord, you've got just adoration. Oh my Lord, they came great jubilation. Oh my Lord, and full of admiration they realized what they had.
We decided to make our snowman as silver and white. So magmi-mix lang tayo ng silver and white para magkaroon siya ng effect, like a glowing effect. And then later on, lalagyan natin siya ng details. So meron tayo dito konting-konting tubig at think about 1 tablespoon of water. Then ilagay na natin yung ating paint dito. And imimix din natin yung ating white color. Hold on a minute. Yes. It will be a really nice mixture. Go on your knees. Go on your knees so you have more. Mix it really good.
Where he
gagawa naman tayo ng snowman hat habang pinapatuloy natin si Snowman. So, bilog ako dito. You have to make sure that there is an allowance for
decorations.
with this, and then this one, lalagyan lang natin siya ng hot tissue, and then din natin siya papuin para magpapuin tayo
the beautiful sight we have tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. In the middle we can build a snowman, then pretend that he is dancing round. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland.
Come, they told me, ram pa pam pam, ram pa pam pam. A newborn king to see, ram pa pam pam, ram pa pam pam. To lay before the king, ram pa pam pam, ram pa pam pam, ram pa pam pam. So to honor him, ram pam pam pam, when he comes.
Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus way. Vixen and Blitzen on our his rim, they're pulling on the rain. Bells are ringing, children singing, always merry and round. Hang your stocking and say your prayer, for Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for the boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle jungle, what a beautiful sound. Jumping bears cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. She didn't see me creep down the
the stars are brightly shining.